Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I am here today to talk to you about Shiba Inu. We're going to be breaking down Shiba Inu from a technical analysis perspective, looking at it from an update perspective as well, and just seeing what is sort of going on with this project. Where can this project be going in terms of like a technical analysis price action standpoint, because there's a lot of stuff going on their website now, guys. Okay, there's a lot of stuff going on, so we're just basically going to be breaking down the chart and seeing if there's any sort of nice positions that we can actually be executing and taking advantage of the current state of the crypto market. So the last year, it is down 13.69%. The last month, it's down 11.77%. And you can see it's every time it's trying to climb up, it's just getting wrecked back down. Okay, so the sort of the sentiment for Shiba Inu right now is bearish. Okay, and the last 7 days, it's actually up 1.54%. But again, not clearing clear levels to actually see a very strong breakout. In the last day, up 2.75%, but again, still in that dirty range, still in that sort of macro disgusting downtrend here, which we will go into in the chart very, very shortly. Now, before we go into that chart, guys, I want to talk to you about a copycat coin that I think is going to do really, really well. I'm sure you've all heard of SPX 6900. That coin sat at roughly around $1 billion market cap now, really doing well, looking like it's going to absolutely sail and maybe even tackle the Shiba Inu market cap, which is obviously at 7.36 billion. But yeah, it's the moral of the story is it's done very, very well. And usually when we do see an asset like, for example, Doge or SHIB or Pepe do really well, we have copycat coins. Okay, for Pepe, you had Brett. Obviously, Brett did very, very well. For Doge, you had SHIB. Okay, and for Doge as well, you had Baby Doge, and then you had Baby SHIB, and then you have Floki. So you have all loads and loads of copycat coins that tend to usually do quite well. Now, why am I waffling on about this? It's because token 6900 is a copycat coin of SPX 6900, which we actually haven't seen a copycat coin do well as of yet. Now, the reason why I'm talking about this, guys, is because it's actually raised $2.7 million in their pre-sale for this launch. Okay, so there's a lot of community members that think that this thing is actually going to be smashing through that $1 billion market cap with that SPX 6900 for this next wave up. Okay, you can see a lot of effort has actually gone into this website. It's looking genuinely quite a cool thing, and just a generally well put together meme coin site. And obviously being that copycat of SPX 6900 usually gives it that momentum and that leg up to really sort of achieve. Now, as I said, guys, they've raised, I think, $2.7 million, which is very, very substantial in the space right now. So if you guys do want to get involved with this, all you need to do is connect your wallet. Best wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, and basically you can exchange your Ethereum, USDT, USDC, I do believe, for this token 6900. Now, this thing is going to be launching at a higher price than it's currently trading at now. So if you are to buy into this asset now, guys, when this thing launches, you will already be in profit, because the way that these pre-sales work, you can see the way that these pre-sales work, basically, if you buy in at a certain price and the more people buy in, the price of the asset will continuously go up, okay? So you're basically longing the asset up until launch. So if you buy into this asset now, even if you sell at launch, you will still be in profit. That's the beauty of getting involved with these pre-sales. But for full disclosure, guys, I'm into this pre-sale. I bought my bags, but I'm not going to be selling them at launch. I'm going to be holding off because I do think the token 6900 with a raise like this is going to really do well. Okay, we haven't seen that copycat yet, and I do think that this has definitely got legs to smash through those $1 billion market caps, or maybe even $100 million market cap, guys. Even if it gets to that, we still make literally like 10 to 100x on our investment. It's a very good play in my opinion. I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can go check that out for yourself. Now let's get into the Shiba Inu chart. So you can see here, the Shiba Inu chart over on the 4-hour, we have seen obviously downside looking quite bleak like that. We've also got a lovely trend line coming down. So you can see this is a symmetrical this is a symmetrical, it's a parallel channel, a falling parallel channel. Falling parallel channels, guys, they tend to usually break to the upside. Okay, so this is the move that we're looking out for here, and the measure move for that would look something along the lines of this. Okay, and that is going to be worth roughly around 11, so just under 11% there, nice and clean. This is the breakout zone. This is the candle body closes that we're looking for. The first take profit for this position is going to be roughly around here, because you can see before we've had candle body closes like that, and we've sawn right up to that first take profit pretty much every goddamn time we've done this here. So that's going to be first TP, and the first TP for us is actually going to be worth just shy of 2.01%. Easy money to be made there. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. Super intrigued to know your opinion. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you do want to get involved with Token 6900 like myself, you can just jump to the link in the description and it'll take you directly to the site. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.